Andy Lodge, ICO, yet another contractor in the street interview. And Kelly Vopni, good to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
Goodmen Roofing?
You bet.
Alberta.
Yeah.
Now, we're still here at the IRE. How's the show going for you?
It's going pretty good. It's been pretty busy.
Yeah.
I noticed a lot of traffic at all the booths. It's looking good.
That's good. Thanks for stopping by the ICO booth. Now, you're an ICO customer?
You bet.
Is it residential or commercial?
We do both. We buy quite a bit of ISO for a different single ply system, but we buy a heck of a pile of ISO, and we do a lot of residential shingles.
Okay. So ISO is our polyiso insulation, and that's made in Alberta, right?
You bet, in High River.
Not too far away.
Yeah.
You've had good success with it? It's good
Absolutely.
stuff?
Really
It's one
good
of the
stuff.
highest R values in the industry. And
It's been really good. Shipping is really important to us, and the guys always get the product to us when we need it.
good. And it gets there in good shape?
Absolutely.
Protected? Good.
Absolutely. Who's ever doing dispatch is awesome.
Okay, we'll let them know. Maybe they're watching. I don't know. Now, how did you get into the roofing business?
I'm actually a carpenter by trade.
Okay.
Did a bunch of project management for roofing projects for the health region, and the company came and basically headhunted me and
Stole
brought me
you.
on board. Yeah.
And how long ago was that?
4.5 years ago.
How do you like roofing so far?
Well, I mean, being a carpenter, I definitely applied a lot of shingles back in my day.
Okay.
So I was no stranger, but the technical side of the commercial systems, I really enjoy dealing with it. Enjoy fitting jobs. I like to beat up on our local suppliers for ICO products.
Good.
It takes it pretty hard.
Yeah. Now, you don't nail on shingles anymore, because that's a young man's game, kind of, isn't it?
Yeah, but unfortunately, we need to get more young men in it. Like,
It's tough.
It's really hard to keep bringing more and more people into the trade.
We're here. I mean, everybody knows that we're hearing it, and so many trades are like that. Is getting people. You know, it's a computer generation, whatever it is, but getting people to actually use tools, use their hands, and get into that.
Some of them kind of get those Nintendo bodies. You know, they get the little belly and then the small arms.
Okay.
You know those guys.
I
right?
haven't heard of that term, but I'll take your word for it. So when you're not roofing or attending or designing roofs, when you're not at shows, what do you do for fun in Red Deer?
Well, I like to dirt bike a lot.
Okay.
I like to snowboard. I like to snowmobile.
Well, it's a good thing you're in Canada then.
Yeah.
You picked the right place.
Yeah. So actually take out our local rep. Well, not our local rep. I would say our local representative from our branch where we buy ICO. He actually dirt bikes with me occasionally.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so
Well, good to hear. Well, be safe on the trails. Be safe on the roof. Thanks for stopping by. We learned a little bit more about Goodmen Roofing in Alberta. I hope you found this enjoyable. Enjoy the rest of the show. And thanks for your business.